All right, so our excuse me. Our first example is given a point and a slope, the easiest one. We want to write it in point slope form. So write the equation in point slope form of the line passing through that's passing ing -3, 8, and that has a slope of three halves. Next time I'll have that written already for you just to pause it and write it down. That took too long and we've got to get to the actual portion of this video. Oh, you gotta get comfortable. I'm doing this from the floor. Alright, so my first step, since I have a point and I have a slope, and they're telling me to write it in point slope form, I have to know what point slope form looks like. And I usually like to write it out just because it's a good reminder of what it looks like. And I know exactly what I need to fill in. Yes, I'm doing it in pretty colors so we can keep it color coordinated just for the notes. So y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. Step 2, I'm going to substitute m and the point. Okay, so this is x1, y1. This is slope, which is m. So instead of m, I'm going to put 3 halves. Instead of y1, I'm going to put 8. Instead of x1, I'm going to put -3. Everything else stays exactly where it's at. Y minus, parentheses, x minus. Yes, I have minus a negative. Even though the 3 is negative, I cannot drop this minus from up there. So notice those parts came down. And then right here at this point, I make it pretty if needed. And yes, I need to make it pretty. Again, because that minus a negative is not so pretty. That's pretty ugly. So we got to change that to actually a plus. So it's really y minus 8 equals 3 halves x plus 3. And there's your equation in point slope form when given a point and given a slope.